Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3 on VMWare Workstation 17.5. So before I proceed to install, so this is my latest version of VMWare Workstation. Okay, now I am going to create one new virtual machine. Okay, so I will be installing this operating system later. Select version as Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 64-bit. So name, I am providing the name to this virtual machine. Next, I am providing the path where the virtual machine is getting stored. Next, I am allocating around 40 GB hard disk. Store it as a single file. Finish. So now I am customizing the hardware. So increasing the RAM to 8 GB and CPU core I am increasing to 4 CPU cores. So new CD DVD I am using Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3 DVD ISO file. Okay, network adapter I am choosing host only. Okay, so this is offline installation, no internet connection is needed. Okay, that's all finished. So installer has started. So English will be my default language. So select your installation destination. I am modifying the time and date accordingly. Software selection will be server with guide, that is base environment. Provide the root password. So I am providing very simple password. Okay, create one login username. Provide password to the login username. So I am providing very simple password. Begin installation. Okay, so installation is completed. I have rebooted Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3. Let me log in. So you can see that screen size is adjusted automatically, which means that virtual machine tools is automatically got installed. Okay, now I am going to settings option, guest isolation. You can see that drag and drop and copy paste, that is shared clipboard is automatically enabled. Okay, now I am going to check the copy paste feature. So I am typing some command and copy paste the terminal output to Windows Workstation to check shared clipboard, that is copy paste, is working or not. So VMWare Tools is installed automatically, no need to install them manually. By default it will be installed. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So copy paste feature, the shared clipboard feature is working fine. Let me try from host to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Okay, now I am going to try drag and drop. I'm going to try drag and drop. Let me go to one directory. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So I can able to drag and drop. Okay. So drag and drop is working fine. Yes. So all file operations are completed. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to try shared folders. I'm going to enable the shared folders. So I'm powering up the virtual machine. Next, edit virtual machine settings, options, shared folders, always enabled. So add the shared folder. So I'm going to mount one Windows folder to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3 virtual machine. Enable this share. That's it. So this is the name of the share. Okay. So after starting, type the command vmware-hgfs-client. Yes, you can see that shared folder is mounted, but we need to access the content. Okay, for that, login as a root user. I am going to edit /etc/fstab file. So I open the fstab file in Vim editor. Okay, so I added the line vmhgfs-fuse space /md/hgfs space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other space 0 space 0. Save the file. So what is the meaning is we are going to mount the file under directory /mnt/hgfs. Okay, so I am creating one directory /mnt/hgfs. So hgfs directory already exists, so now mounting will not be a problem. So mount -a. So this will mount all the directories. Okay, so now finally type this command systemctl space daemon -reload. That's it. Now open another tab, try to access the shared folder. Yes, I can able to access the content. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3 installation on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools is successful. All the three features including shared clipboard, drag and drop and shared folders are working fine.